Good morning, guys. Ooh. So what are we doing today? I'm gonna go to see AYRD. Refuel coolant. Alright, so I guess I'll see you there.
Hello.
When you gonna hire me?
Whenever you're ready.
Who's this? Tristan's? The white BMW is yours?
Oh yeah, the white one.
Don't scratch my car. Как дела?
Хорошо. It's English content?
English content. Yeah. Nice pens. This is X3 that you're working on. So what happened? You got the part? This is the new one? So what's the problem now?
That's good.
You got the whole new piece? Oh. Okay. The air was coming
It's
out?
cracked inside, yeah.
It seems easy.
Yeah, it's not.
I've been here like for 2 days and I feel like I know how to change it right now.
Yeah. In here?
Alright, let's see. Should be good now, huh? Sounds smooth. They come with the new bolts too?
Yeah, it comes ready to put on.
How much?
560, I think.
560 for the piece. No coats? No check engine light on? Finally. You gonna test drive it? Let's go. What the hell? Do you see that screw? Let's go. Well, that one is not showing intención anymore.
Yeah. They look good now.
Yeah.
That's better than yesterday.
Yeah, drive smooth, huh?
Yeah.
It's a good car now. That was a piece of shit a couple of days ago. Alright, let's see. Yeah, it's whistling a little bit.
Yeah. It's supposed to. But not like yesterday.
Overall, sounds good. It looks so good. You have to put those ramps.
Yeah.
What about the front? Is it gonna scratch the front? Uh-oh. Can you extend those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in that corner.
Watch out.
What you know about rolling down?
Let's hear it. There's another one.
Talk too much, put this shit in slow motion. Yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can cut a mental freeze.
What's that?
Talk too much, put this shit in slow motion. Ay.
What custom?
The Apple CarPlay thing.
Oh,
and I got the
fancy
custom,
now.
and the custom cluster too. Look,
I see it. Ooh. Oh, damn.
I have like 32, I think, modes that I can put.
10 minutes work. Oh wow, that diffuser is actually big.
Shit, that lid is big as hell. Wait, that's a custom. Is it wood? Yeah. I was about to say, I think I forgot the center at home. Did you? No.
No. You got it.
It's in that car.
There's some shit dealing with this.
Want a piece of this, a piece of mine, a piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes are glad to break your spine.
Anything strap on.
Ooh. Oh, there's a lot like DIY stuff right here. This is not supposed to be like that, no?
Well, no, this goes over there, but with the cones over there,
Yeah.
this doesn't fit over there anymore. And you're supposed to get a smaller one of these, but
And it's just laying on the engine.
Yeah.
You see where you're going? Clean?
no. Look at all the metal.
No. Metal? Where's
Yeah,
this?
you see it right here? Look at the flakes.
Uh-huh.
That's why I cleaned this so I can see if it's clean or not.
So is it the first time you changed on this car?
This is my first time here.
Fucking Dylan's dealing with his shit. His bullshit. Putting sensors on.
Wait, you moved it already, did you?
Yeah.
He did.
You see which one it is, right?
Bro,
Give you some.
that's far.
Get some fancy lights.
Put this shit on the hood.
He's gonna scratch though.
It's like that?
Mm-hmm.
It's got those two little screws right there.
Get ready to get dirty. Some Instagram model got here. It's the wrong clothes, man. Just get his shirt.
You want to change your shirt? I got another shirt. So you don't get dirty.
Yeah. Oh, look at you. Now you work here.
Yes.
So what sensor is this? Boost sensor?
Yeah.
Okay. How much horsepower right now?
Right now, I think it's around 500.
500?
Yeah.
Still slow, right? How much horsepower you have here?
And this?
700?
And this?
Yeah.
The low setting is like 780, I think.
780?
Why did I need the adapter?
Because where's the other sensor?
It's right here. It's these two, right?
This is new one?
Yeah, that's the new one that goes. Website that I ordered, they didn't have it in stock, but they didn't say anything. I couldn't talk to them to get a refund.
What website? Euro what?
Europlug, BMW.
Europlug. The lawnmower.
What? This makes bubble?
Yeah.
Bro.
Put the screws back in.
You got it?
Perfect. Yeah.
Well, now you'll be a little bit faster than me. Where you actually put the oil on?
This one you drain, this one you fill.
Oh. How are you gonna do that?
With the pump.
Bump it up. Why he's keeping this running?
Because if the voltage drops while he's flashing it,
Uh-huh.
the computers will turn everything off, and the computer basically will kill itself. Because when he tunes it, basically he's like deleting all the memory, and then he's putting in like a new memory.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So what the computer will start doing is it'll delete everything on itself, and then if the voltage drops, it'll kill itself. But then it doesn't have a memory in there.
I see.
And then you can't upload anything into it, and it's just like a brain, like a dead brain basically.
So
But
this
if
is
the
just
voltage is good,
Uh-huh.
it'll keep the car on with the power onto the, and then it can delete and put the new one in.
that's crazy, man. Like if you don't know how to do it, you can just break your car.
Yeah, you can.
Did you put a screw here or no? Just leave it? Yeah.
It's a nice hood. That's a little pump. MHD.
If you put it on airplane mode, you can't have nobody messing with like calling you or anything because you can fail the tune.
What happened? Papa, this car stuck. Papa's crazy.
Dude, what happened?
What happened?
Oh, just a small piece?
Yeah, not super big. Okay. Oh, the other one you put in the liquid? Oh, damn, that's cool.
That's it? That was quick. But how do you check level?
It's until it starts dripping out.
Oh, you think another bottle?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it.
One more. So after this, you're gonna drive and see if there is anything wrong with that.
It should give me, actually, it should give me as soon as I turn on the car.
Okay.
Last time it did because of the sensor.
This car looks good at the shop. You should bring it here often.
Bye-bye, Dylan.
No, thank you.
Say no thank you.
Use the code again. Erase it.
What code is?
The one that I showed you earlier. The low pressure with everything. It literally didn't even let me do a pull at all.
Oh, there's no power?
It's on lift mode.
He just broke his car.
Take it to BMW.
Come back tomorrow.
If you go on our website, you can get an appointment.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. What you want, shorty? What you think? One game, we ain't never leave. Never leave. Counting up this money, we ain't never sleep. You got V12, I got 12 V. Got bottles,
Fuel, low pressure sensor, boost pressure sensor, boost pressure sensor.
The low pressure sensor is stuck.
The higher one was moving, the lower pressure you just stay in the same. How much? 100 bucks? You have 100 bucks plus labor? Is it down there?
This one, the high pressure, still telling me that the limit with the low. So I can. Let's step right here.
Sorry, if somebody tried to pull up with me right now, I'll be so mad. Not today. Today is the day.
Did you see the old code? What did it say?
If I run out of gas.
Look, your cousins always trying to blow up a car.
They push it so hard.
It's literally full throttle right now.
Yeah.
Every day they do at least one car. Right there.
Oh, what the hell? You didn't even see it.
No.
Damn.
Fuck that.
Tell your cousins to relax.
Yeah, 20, right? Yeah, damn.
So you have to take the whole thing?
Of course, it's an Audi.
That's an
Yeah,
antifreeze.
it's leaking coolant, that's why he's leaking. Well, this is how I test if it has a leak.
There's no leaking?
I mean, it is somewhere.
Boom.
But the pressure hasn't dropped at all. No, it doesn't look like it's leaking. This seems old though, like it's been here for a while. We'll see tomorrow. See how it wakes up. I don't think it's leaking, but we'll see in the morning.
Alright, so the car is gonna stay here till tomorrow. I'm gonna see if there's any leaks. It looks like it was leaking before, but it doesn't leak right now, so it's hard to tell. We're gonna see if we can put the flares on. Why are you breaking my shit? Look how happy you are.
Are these factory too?
No. Actually, not bad. It looks good. I had these flares like for a long time, like since probably September. Yeah, I ordered them from eBay. They were like probably close to the $400. Completely different look. I'm just gonna pull into the shop instead of doing this outside. Looks so good. Damn, I need spacers. But I definitely need spacers now. So what was it? 15 you said? 15 and 35?
All right, brother.
All right. Thanks a lot, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot.